Hello. Yeah, I have been on this field a few times, but not many. I just walked down the side of another field and found absolutely nothing. And this is the first target. And I mean, this hole is 10-11 inches. 10-11 inches, and this just came out. Pocket knife, pen knife, I think. Yeah, it's lost its wood or whatever it was on it. That's all that's left. It's quite a good one though. I mean, it's not going to open up or clean up very well, but there you go. Somebody lost their pocket knife. See, on the next hole. It's quite windy out here. This one sounds like a coin. It's not a coin. It's a chunk of lead. That one beeped just like a coin. Don't know what that is though. Has it got design? It's sort of curved at the top and folded over. I'll clean that up and we'll see. But there you go. Sorry if it's too windy. That really sounded like a coin though. That was weird. Okay, right, this one sounded a bit like a coin. It's there. Oh, it's there. Look at that. So it did have a bit of a blip on it, a bit of a weird noise to it. What do you reckon? Coin or button? It's gonna be, it's not either. It's a tiny little ring. That's why it sounded a bit weird. Tiny little ring. There you go. I think it's just another little harness or something ring. I'll check it out when I get home and clean it. It's too muddy at the minute. See you on the next one. Hello. Can you see that in the hole? Looks like a strap. No, I don't know. Oh, it's got gold gilt on it. I'm not going to rub it anymore. No, it's got 2 rivet holes. Don't know what it is. It's got some rivet holes and it looks like it's got gold gilt on it. Don't know. I'll have to clean that up carefully. Strange. Yeah, it's got 2 holes in it. Who knows? Hello again. Look at this for a pile of soil. Right down there, look. That is, what's that, 9 inches, 10, 12, 13, yeah, probably 13 inches. I don't know if you can see in the bottom. I've just pulled this out, right from the bottom of there. I mean, that's deep. That is a deep hole. I've just found a bell. Yeah. I found bits of bell like this shape, and I found crotal bells, but look at that. Let me see if I can clean it up. Hello. Bloody wind's just got up really bad now. There you go. It's a nice bell. Look at that. Spot on. There you go, I haven't found one like that before. That's nice. I'm getting mud all over it now. You can see where it's been cast. I don't know how old that would be. But there you go. Lovely. Let's see if I can find anything else old. Not many coins in this field. I've just got to find the footpath. I don't know if it's been redirected or what, but if I find it, hopefully there'll be more. Trying to shelter you from the wind. Can you see what's in the hole? I found another one. There's another penknife. That looks in good nick though. Wood's still on it. It looks like wood. Give it a quick wipe. Yeah, there you go. Another penknife. These deteriorate really bad when you get them home, if you try and clean them. And then the wood dries out and they crack. But I'll try and put that in something to stop the wood from drying. There you go, another penknife. Hey! Come on, I've got a coin, I think. That's been hard finding a coin in here. Right in the bottom there. It was around 80, so I think it's going to be a George. Yeah, looks like it. Right at the bottom there, look. Bit windy. It is a George, I think. It might be a good one. Oh, let me clean this up. We'll have a look. There's something weird about that. Yeah, I'll clean it up. It's really bad. It is a George III, I think. And I'm sure actually. Yeah, curved. The bottom of Britannia's curved, so it'll be a halfpenny, 17.99 halfpenny. I can see a 9 there. I'm just going to make it muddy. There you go. I think it's a George III, 17.99. Get in. See if we can find any more on the way out. Morning. Hello. First hole. Looks like there's been a bonfire here. There's a lots of charcoal, burnt stuff in the hole. So it's crackling. I reckon there's lots of nails around here. I just heard a blip, and out pops a coin. I think it's a shilling. Let me see if I can clean it up. It is indeed a 1956 shilling. First target. There you go. See if there's anything older in here. I've had a few coins out of this area, including an Elizabeth I sixpence. So hopefully there's some older ones in here. There you go. Deep hole, what, I don't know, 10 inches. This field has got hardly any signals at all in. And I just heard something. I've got no idea what that is. That is weird. Don't know what it is. There you go, just found myself a piece of lead. I don't know if it's a bale seal or a pot mend. It looks more like a bale seal. I don't know. Coming to the other field now. There's a lot of buildings been knocked down here from the RAF. I don't quite know the layout, but there's brick rubble everywhere. Buildings, bits of metal. Second target. First one was a pot lid, or a tin lid. What the hell is that? It's got a hinge. Is that a photo frame? There's either a clock or a photo frame. Weird, it's got a hinge at the top here. Very decorated. There you go. Hello. On to the next. I have found loads of these tins, little flat tins. They're everywhere. I've just found a buckle. I think it's a wartime one. It's not old, I don't think. I don't know what it's off. There you go. Yep. First buckle of the day. I've just gone and found another one. Look at that. Just a horse, no rider. There you go. Little lead horse. It's really bad. There's just crap everywhere. It's a really difficult field to detect. There you go. Nice little horse. Another coin in the hole. I think it's just going to be a penny. It is. Ah, nice. Got a date on it. Let me just clean it. It's 1947. See on there? Yeah. George VI. There we go. You can just see him. 1947. Yeah, I've just been digging rubbish. Tin after tin after tin. Now look in that hole. I've just found myself a whole brass tap. Now, that's in. Look at that. Bloody tap.